the time has finally come. I'm gonna tackle the rest of this really disgusting interior today. So if you like a little bit of before and after transformation and you want some tips on how to get a very disgusting interior clean, this video is for you. Let's get started. Like something disgusting on top of this cap. I don't know if it's mold or a spider sack, but let's start removing the seats. Look at this little bit of vintage gold we found. Of course, it's disgusting underneath like I expected, but the original Toyota amplifier. First pass, just did the vacuuming. Now I'm going to come in with the extractor and get the carpet a little bit wet and start hitting some of these trouble spots with cleaner so that it can soak, and then we will start the extraction process. So I sprayed the carpet and then I took my interior cleaner and went ahead and just sprayed some of those more like really dirty places in the carpet, and that worked really well so far. I let that soak for about probably 5 minutes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use the extractor again. This is a carpet cleaner mixture made for pets, so it's a little more heavy duty, and water, hot water if you can, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and extract all these carpets and let's see how they turn out. As you can see here, already a vast improvement over what it was. The camera really picks up some of the spots that need more work. So in this corner, this spot underneath the amplifier, and then of course all along the center console here, but way better. I think I'm gonna call this good for now. I got a lot of the dirt, a lot of the pet hair, a lot of just the nasty stuff out. Yeah, so it's looking great. I'm going to continue with some of the other interior parts that really need cleaning, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of the befores right now. The door jambs, you can see some spider webs here on this door panel, some moisture corrosion, just general really grubby dirtiness. Need to tackle these carpets on here. basically the same as I did over there. I used the brush to get in all the crevices, just used my interior cleaner, did the crevices on the CD tape deck, and then just wiped it all down with the microfiber. While I have this all kind of exposed, I am going to look and see if I have some new screws for these, because these are pretty weather worn, and just kind of clean things up. Okay, just gonna get into my little box of goodies here and see if I have any replacement screws, which I think I do. Celica convertible door badges. If you guys need these, hit me up because I don't need them anymore. Front dash and center console. Ooh, okay, okay. These may have already been harvested. What is this? What is this? These are the ones that those little caps go on. Oh, there they are. Yes. I found them. I found them. I think these are it right here. You see that? Yeah. Okay. Let's get a screwdriver and get these babies replaced. The other thing I was going to say, this cup holder doesn't stay in, but I do have a new lock for it. And if yours don't stay in, I am going to try and get some more for the Celica shop. So, thecelicashop.com. If you want your cup holders to stay in, hit me up. This is what I really wanted to show you. You see all of those pine needles in there? We're gonna get all of that cleaned out so that we're not holding moisture and weird smells and creatures and who knows what. Gonna get these passages all nice and clean and tidied up, and the same with over here. After many hours of off-camera work, I think it's time to show you guys the final result. Let's take a look. This turned out really great, and I'm pretty stoked. Of course, things are scratched, the interior's still old, but it looks so much better, smells so much better. I'm gonna say that's a win. The carpet, I went ahead and vacuumed and shampooed. And to me, it looks like it's pretty much one solid color, but looks like the camera is picking up all the dirties. So this is probably going to need a second pass. Seats all cleaned and rehydrated. I cleaned the seat belts, cleaned everything top to bottom. Dash, the whole 9 yards, even did all the door jams. What is next? Let's talk about it. You're probably wondering, because even I'm like getting kind of tired of it, when I'm actually start working on the car and getting it ready to drive and actually have some fun with it instead of just cleaning it all the time. And that is a great question. I actually am going to outsource the transmission work on this. With the limited space that I have in here and the limited tools that I have here, I decided it would be better for me to outsource it to a friend of mine who is a mechanic professionally, who said he'd give me a good deal. I trust him and he can do it way faster than I can. So that's what's happening with actually getting to drive the car. But in the upcoming videos, grand plans, if things go the way that I want them to, I'll be doing coilovers, wheels, tires, a wrap on this car. I have to kind of put things into the car as I can afford to, and that's why things are very slow for me, and you get to see me doing a lot of little maintenance things because they need done. I'll see you next time on Katie's Garage, hopefully doing some mechanical stuff. Bye!